afternoon, welcome. This is JAMB year 2020 government objective past question, question number 9. And the question number 9 here says unicameralism is a feature of the legislature in dash. Unicameralism is a feature of the legislature in dash. That is, in which country does the system of unicameralism is being practiced? Then option A says the United Kingdom, option B say the United States, option C say Ghana, option D say Israel. Now when we talk of unicameralism, unicameralism is a system of legislature in which only one legislative arm exists, and in knowing a state or country that practice unicameralism, it is said that unicameralism is best for a small country or a small state. And of course, United Kingdom is not a small state, United States is not a small state, Israel is not a small country, but Ghana is a small state or country. So unicameralism is a feature of the legislature in Ghana. So that is what they practice in Ghana. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.